Hey, what's up guys? JB here, and we're going to talk about the top 5 AI you're going to want to have as a student going into 2026. Alright, let's get started. So, in number 1, we've got Grok. It seems kind of odd, but now Grok is great for finding data on things that are going on. Like if you want, maybe this week, what is trending in AI? But the reason why I like to use Grok is if you use the voice mode. So for example, you're on your home page, you click on voice mode down here. On your phone, you'll have a separate section for a camera button, right? So then now you can have it where it's going to talk with you and see whatever you're showing on your camera, so you can get your notes. You can literally transcribe your notes to be digital. So do that, flip through your pages, and it's looking at everything, and then it'll type out all of your notes. Then you can copy and paste that over into whatever document you want, and then put it in ChatGPT, start having it test you, all that. It's amazing. Okay, now next one, voice-to-notes.ai. This is my preferred use for transcribing like live talking into notes. You can use otter.ai for if you want to keep making free accounts and keep going through that way. But this one, it's only $3 a month if you go for the starter plan. And this isn't bad because you get 10 hours of transcription a day. That's going to be hard to use up all that, So for only $3, it's amazing to just get you from teacher talking to notes in your phone immediately. Again, otter.ai though is a great free option if you want to keep making free accounts. Okay, next one. Of course I have to mention ChatGPT, but this is something I got to cover because a lot of people still don't know about the projects. So if you see over here on the left-hand side where it says projects, you can create separate folders for like separate classes. So for example, I've got a Python folder here, and you can upload documents specifically for that project. And here I've got a few different documents. One, it covers what microlearning is. The next one, it's the actual book to teach me Python. This is a full free book. Uploaded it there, and I can just tell it to give me lessons to get me all throughout the entire book, start to finish. It's amazing, and you can keep tweaking it if you're not understanding it. So the book, you can still learn from it, but in a different way. And it's got me a beginner tutorial here, and I can just keep building from that till I learn everything. So projects in ChatGPT are great to be utilized. All right, next, this is one I really wish I had when I was in college. This is a huge one, and it is perplexity.ai. If you don't know about it, if you're doing research, please don't use ChatGPT. It gives broken links. Use perplexity.ai. It will search everything all over and give you working links. You can, if you have to specifically only use educational journals or things like that, you can mention it there and it'll only pull up those things. I just did the example here, research showing why basketball is a great sport for health. You could put, how does video games impact the health of children, whatever it may be, and you can say recent 2025 study or whatever your constraints are, and it'll pull up the research. And it'll have working links. So for example, this one talking about muscle strength and body composition. You can click the little link down here, and boom, here we go. From the National Library of Medicine, it's got one, it pulls up, the abstract, it's got all the data, everything. So use this if you need to do research, okay? All right, and then coming up next, we've got what's called an agentic browser. These are still fairly new. So this one's called Comet. It's made by Perplexity. And it's a browser that can interact and do things for you. I even had it play chess for me on chess.com. It wasn't very good at it though. So in this example, I just put, find me a tutorial. If you look down here, find me a tutorial on how to make the best ramen noodles. Hit enter, and it'll start working. It's not the quickest because it looks at everything, but see, pulled up a new tab for me, and it pulled up a video right here on restaurant ramen at home, but better. And it's got other options too. Like here's yes, open a written recipe for me. Spelled it wrong. It's fine. You can make it summarize the syllabus, on your school website or whatever notes you have. Especially if you have a PDF version of notes that you can pull up through the web browser from your classes. It'll go through, summarize everything. It's great. But yeah, so pull up that website for me. I could even have it summarize this website. Pull up the assistant. Summarize the recipe for me on this site, and it'll start typing out the summary. So yeah, these are the top 5 AI I think you're going to have going into 2026. If you like the video, hit that like button and please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.